All right, boys, quick video for you. 2009 Chevy Impala. This is going to be mileage correction. We're going to use our old tool here that I got. I've been having this for quite a few years, the X100 Pro from OBDSTAR. By the way, the P50 can be upgraded via software to have the full odometer correction features, guys. So if you bought a P50 from us and you would like the odometer correction option, it'll just be an additional icon in your list of items that you can run that can be added on with the P50. Just contact me via email or go to the website globalcommerceca.com or email. You'll see that in the description and you can do that. So we're going to do key on. And we're going to select vehicles. Let me turn off this radio. Then we're going to select mileage adjustment. We're going to select GM. GM. Loading. All right, and our current mileage is 257, and that's a used cluster, so they wanted to correct it. So we're going to go down to Chevy. And this is an Impala 2006 plus. This is 2009 and it's in miles, and that is what it's listing right now. Correct. As you can see, it's pretty close to 57,391. Okay, so we're going to go to change mileage, and the correct is 187 233. That is the correct mileage. So now we press enter on the keypad. Yes. Communicating. As you can see, the cluster flashed and our mileage adjustment is complete. That's it, guys. Click that thumbs up button. If you didn't know this, now you know, boys. And like I said, I always say, knowing is half the battle. See you on the next one, guys.